Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of medical technology. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Allanger HF49 C-Arm machine and its array of fuses that keep it running smoothly. Let's start with F1, the 6-ampere fuse responsible for controlling the up and down motion of the C-Arm. This small but mighty fuse ensures precise positioning during procedures. Next up, we have F2, a hefty 20-ampere fuse dedicated to maintaining the neutral function of the machina. Without this fuse, the C-arm's stability could be compromised. Now, let's talk about F3, another 20-ampere fuse crucial for managing the lane voltage. This fuse protects the machine from electrical fluctuations, ensuring consistent performance. Moving on to F4, the 8-ampere fuse responsible for the rotor function. This fuse allows the C-arm to rotate seamlessly, providing medical professionals with a wide range of imaging angles. Now, let's not forget about F5, F6, and F7, the 2-ampere and 1-ampere fuses that supply power to various components of the machine, such as the inverter and TR1, TR2 supplies. As you can see, each fuse plays a vital role in ensuring the optimal performance of the Allanger HF49 C-Arm machine. Without them, this essential piece of medical equipment wouldn't be able to fulfill its life-saving purpose. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of our latest videos. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy. You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.